What is going on, everybody? Thank you for coming back once again. We're going to do a quick update on the track bike in this video. We are just about done. Unfortunately, now with COTA MotoGP being canceled, those plans are a little bit up in the air for us. But we're still going ahead with finishing the build here, so we're ready. We may go down to Portland or Thunder Hill, but yeah, we're just about done, so this is going to be a quick update for this. Right now, to start this one out, I'm going to finish installing these CRG levers. These are the Spectrum. These are kind of their first gen roll click levers. We're going to change these out because not only when the bike was crashed, the clutch lever kind of got bent out a little bit farther, but just the OEM levers, they sit really far away from the handlebar, the grips, and so these will help bring it in and make it a little bit easier to ride. And then after we get these installed, we'll just kind of go over the bike real quick, and yeah, let's do it real quick. Installed quick and easy. The clutch here, got the brake on here. Both are feeling good. Obviously we'll test it out real quick before we go out and ride it hard, but super easy to install, in like 20 minutes or something. But yeah, let's go over the bike real quick and see where we're at. We got the tank back. Told y'all last video we were getting it painted white. So here it is, as I just got grease all over it and dirty. But tank back, tank on. Our seat piece is down here. I got the seat on last night. This is all drilled, fit, ready to go. I don't remember in the last video, I think we did. I think we had just finished the windscreen, but got that all done. And right now we're hooked up to our tender here. We just had some friends over and they put the race map on for us. Right now we have no exhausts. SE Project did come in. Unfortunately, we think it's for a 16 and up year. This is a 15, where they kind of didn't make a 15. So the link pipe doesn't fit, so we're going to try and get that squared away next week, and hopefully that'll be on here soon. But what else have we done? Oh, we've just been working on this thing like crazy. But with COTA being canceled and the Aprilia Riding Racers Day thing that was on Tuesday, that's been now moved to the Monday. So we may just go down, Saturday, ride on Monday, and then come back. Or there's some talk that some of us might go down to Thunder Hill. With all this virus stuff going around and everything getting closed and canceled, a lot of stuff's kind of up in the air right now, but yeah, I don't know. I think we should start it up real quick. We started it last night at like 8:30 last night, and all the neighbors were like, what are y'all doing? But whatever. So let's start it up. We have no exhaust on here, like I said, but all we have is just the header right underneath the belly pan. These have been on here for a while, but these are the Woodcraft rear sets. This is the exhaust mounting hole, but the link pipe, the actual bracket, ends up right here. So definitely wrong. Let's turn it on real quick. All right, so I just opened my back door real quick so that I don't die. But key, it sounds so good. It's so loud. Unfortunately, we got to put an exhaust on. But as you guys can see on the dash right here, we now say race right here on the dash. See if you guys can see that in there. So that's all good. We just turned it on for a minute, but it might be too loud for the mic. I don't know. We'll see. But here we go. I can listen to this all day. I'd go to sleep to it if I could. I should probably leave that door open for a little while. But yeah, that's kind of my update right now. Bike's pretty much done. Oh, we got the RNG tank sliders here so that when it goes over again, don't mess up the tank there. But it's riding season now. So until the next video, see you guys later.